If you've decided to sell your company, congratulations. That's exciting and hopeful. Now for the bad news. Seller expectations of value are the #1 deal killer in the process you are thinking about right now. As a founder, you'll probably sell just one company in your lifetime. So it's understandable you want to get the most money for your business, sell on the best possible terms, and have maximum control over your legacy after the sale. So why shouldn't you demand that a buyer pay you exactly the number you've decided you have to have? And further, to wire all in cash at the close of escrow? Well, first, the market will decide what your company's worth. And buyers all have different ways of structuring deals, with all cash being one of the rarest of types. Think of it this way. Your business will sell for a multiple of past financial results, increased by future growth prospects, or discounted by the risk that those past results may not be repeated. And none of those things have anything to do with what you think your business is worth. Getting professional guidance on valuation in advance from the right advisor will allow you to decide whether you can accept or agree with the market's assessment before you've committed to the process and made an investment of money, time, and emotion. And once you decide to sell, if there's a disparity between your expectations and the market's reality, between committed and reasonable buyers and sellers, structure and terms can help to close or eliminate those gaps to the satisfaction of all parties.